Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Provisioning Resources. Provisioning resources in a cloud environment is a critical aspect of resource management, impacting the efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and scalability of IT operations. The process of provisioning involves allocating and managing computing resources to meet the demands of applications and services. Effective resource provisioning ensures that the right amount of resources is available at the right time, optimizing performance while minimizing costs. This lesson delves into the strategies, tools, and considerations essential for mastering resource provisioning as part of the CompTIA Cloud Plus certification. Resource provisioning encompasses several key activities, including the initial allocation of resources, scaling resources up or down based on demand, and deallocating resources when no longer needed. These activities can be managed manually or automated through orchestration tools and scripts. The importance of efficient resource provisioning is underscored by the dynamic nature of cloud environments, where workloads can fluctuate significantly, and the need for agility is paramount. One of the primary strategies for resource provisioning is predictive provisioning, which involves forecasting future resource needs based on historical data and usage patterns. Predictive analytics can help identify trends and anticipate spikes in demand, allowing organizations to provision resources proactively. For example, an e-commerce platform might analyze past sales data to predict increased traffic during holiday seasons, ensuring sufficient resources are available to handle the surge. According to a study by Gartner, organizations that implement predictive provisioning can reduce resource underutilization by up to 30%. Another critical strategy is dynamic provisioning, which adjusts resource allocation in real time based on current demand. This approach leverages auto-scaling capabilities provided by cloud service providers such as AWS Autoscaling, Google Cloud's Autoscaler, and Azure's Virtual Machine Scale Sets. Autoscaling ensures that applications maintain optimal performance by automatically adding or removing resources as needed. For instance, a web application experiencing a sudden increase in traffic can automatically scale out by provisioning additional instances and scale in when the traffic subsides. Research by Forrester indicates that organizations using dynamic provisioning can achieve up to 40% cost savings compared to static provisioning methods. Effective resource provisioning also requires a thorough understanding of the various types of cloud resources, including compute, storage, and network resources. Compute resources encompass virtual machines, containers, and serverless functions, each offering different levels of abstraction and scalability. Storage resources include object storage, block storage, and file storage, each suited for different types of data and access patterns. Network resources involve virtual networks, load balancers, and content delivery networks, which are essential for ensuring connectivity and performance. Choosing the right type and configuration of resources is crucial for optimizing performance and cost. For example, selecting the appropriate VM size and type can significantly impact application performance and cost efficiency. Organizations must consider factors such as CPU, memory, storage, and network requirements when provisioning VMs. A study by the International Data Corporation found that organizations that optimize their VM configurations can achieve up to 25% cost savings on their cloud bills. Automation plays a pivotal role in resource provisioning, enabling organizations to reduce manual intervention and improve efficiency. Infrastructure as code tools such as Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, and Azure Resource Manager allow organizations to define and manage their infrastructure through code. IAC enables consistent and repeatable provisioning of resources, reducing the risk of human error and ensuring compliance with organizational policies. For example, a DevOps team can use Terraform scripts to provision a complete application stack, including VMs, databases, and networking components, with a single command. According to a report by Puppet, organizations that adopt IAC practices experience a 50% reduction in provisioning times and a 20% decrease in operational costs. Monitoring and optimization are essential components of effective resource provisioning. Continuous monitoring of resource utilization and performance metrics allows organizations to identify inefficiencies and make informed decisions about resource allocation. Tools such as Amazon CloudWatch, Google Cloud Monitoring, and Azure Monitor provide real-time visibility into resource usage and performance, enabling proactive management. For example, monitoring CPU and memory utilization of VMs can help identify over-provisioned resources that can be downsized to reduce costs. A study by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation found that organizations using monitoring and optimization tools can achieve up to 35% improvement in resource utilization. In addition to technical considerations, effective resource provisioning requires a focus on governance and compliance. Organizations must establish policies and procedures to ensure that resource provisioning aligns with business objectives and regulatory requirements. This includes defining approval workflows, setting budget limits, and implementing access controls to prevent unauthorized provisioning. For example, an organization might establish a policy that requires manager approval for provisioning resources exceeding a certain cost threshold. According to a survey by Flexera, organizations with robust governance frameworks for resource provisioning experience 20% fewer compliance issues and 15% lower cloud costs. Cost management is another critical aspect of resource provisioning. Cloud environments operate on a pay-as-you-go model, where organizations are billed based on their resource usage. Effective cost management involves monitoring spending, identifying cost-saving opportunities, and implementing cost control measures. Tools such as AWS Cost Explorer, Google Cloud's cost management tools, and Azure Cost Management plus Billing provide insights into cloud spending and help organizations optimize their costs. For instance, analyzing cost data might reveal underutilized resources that can be decommissioned or resized to save money. A report by McKinsey & Company found that organizations that actively manage their cloud costs can achieve up to 30% savings on their cloud expenditures. In conclusion, provisioning resources in a cloud environment is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic approach to ensure efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and scalability. By leveraging predictive and dynamic provisioning strategies, understanding the various types of cloud resources, and utilizing automation and monitoring tools, organizations can optimize their resource allocation and achieve significant cost savings. Additionally, establishing robust governance and cost management practices is essential for aligning resource provisioning with business objectives and regulatory requirements. Mastering these aspects of resource provisioning is crucial for professionals pursuing the CompTIA Cloud Plus certification, as it equips them with the skills and knowledge needed to manage cloud resources effectively. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.